Okay, so today we'll start question number 4 from the exercise 4.2. This is the last exercise of this chapter, I think. Okay, so let's start from question number 4. Okay, just have a look on the questions. Okay, and must ensure that you just turn off your mic. I can see few students have not done it, so please turn off your mic. Okay, otherwise you can't listen me properly. Okay, so look, the question number 4 is find the value of x in which in each of the following figure if line L and the line M are parallel to each other. Okay, so let's first draw the diagram. So two lines are here. This is the first line and this is the second line. The name of this line is L and the name of this line is M, and it is given that the lines are parallel to each other. Okay, lines are parallel to each other and one transversal is there. The name of the transversal is T. Name of this line is T. This angle is given as 110 degree and we have to find out what is the value of this angle. Our target is to find out the value of this. Okay, now question is how we'll find the value of x. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's give it a name. Let the first name of the first line is AB. Name of the second line is CD, and the name of the transversal is EF. And where the transversal intersect these two lines are suppose P point and a Q point. Okay, now tell me one thing. Can you remember what is the vertically opposite angle? If two lines intersect each other, then this pair of angles are called vertically opposite angles and they are equal in measurement. Now look here, in this diagram, the line AB and the line EF intersect each other at the point P. So can't you exercise 5.2, not 4.2, exercise 5.2. I'm sorry for that, exercise 5.2. Okay, so this angle and these angles are actually vertically opposite angles. These two angles will be equal to each other. Okay, so right here the angle EPA is equal to angle BPQ. Look, EPA means this angle, you can see here, this angle is equal to this angle. Name of this angle is EPA and name of this angle is BPQ. So they will be equal to each other. And what the reason? The reason is as they are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. As their vertically opposite angle. And we know that the vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Okay, now put the value. What is the value of angle EPA? EPA. So this value is 110 degree. So 110 degree is equal to angle BPQ. From here we have angle BPQ is equal to 110 degree. That means we have the measurement of this angle is equal to 110 degree. Okay, and now try to remember one more angle that is called the co-interior angle. What is co-interior angle? Suppose there are two lines and one transversal. So these two angles are called co-interior angle. And if the lines are parallel to each other, these two lines are parallel to each other, so sum of the co-interior angle is equal to what will be? The sum of two co-interior angle if the lines are parallel to each other. What will be the measurement of the sum of two co-interior angle if Yes, very good, Saptorshi. The sum of the angles must be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so now write that angle. Okay, so look, angle, this angle means BPQ, angle BPQ plus this angle means PQD, angle PQD. These two angles, sum of these two angles must be equal to 180 degree. Okay, that means the value of angle of BPQ is given 110 degree. So 110 degree plus value of PQD is given as x. So that is equal to 180 degree. From here, find the value of x. So x will be equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So subtract 110 from 118 and tell me the answer. Very good. Aniruddha, the answer will be 70 degree. So value of x is finally known, that is 70 degree. So 70 degree is the answer. It's not, the problem is very easy. You just remember all the definitions of angle, apply it, you will have your solution for each and every questions. Okay? Now tell me, in this question, have you any problem? Anyone? I can see 20 students has joined with me. If you anyone have any problem, you can tell me. No problems. Okay. So very easy. Yes. The problem are very easy. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 2 of 4. There are two parts of question number 4. Now we'll do the second one. Now, in second questions, there are 4 lines. The line L and one line M. So this is L line, this is M line, and there are 2 lines. One is A and one is B. Okay, so this is our L line, this is our M line, this is our A line, and this is our B line. It is given that this angle is 100 degree and this angle is 80 degree, and the question is we have to find the measurement of this angle. What is the value of this angle? And it is given that the line L and the line M are parallel to each other. Okay, so first give a name of the line. Let this is our AB line, this is our CD line, this line is EF, and this line is GH, and the point where those lines intersect each other are P, Q, R and S. P, Q, R and S. Okay, is there any problem in my voice? Students, can you listen my voice properly or not? Let me check once. I think anyone mics is open, so please turn it off. Please turn off your mic first. That's why I think you are facing any problem. I'm muting you once and don't unmute it. Okay, Now my voice is clear to you or not? No problem in your voice. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now we have to uh, now we have to find the value of x. Actually, the problem was someone has just left his mic in unmute form, so that's why some hazy sound was coming. Clear? Okay. So now look, there are two lines. One line is AB and one line is CD, and one line EF is there. Okay. So this angle is 110 degree. This angle is x degree. So what are the relation between these two angles? Can anyone tell me? What are the relationship between these two angles? They are called actually a very good. They are called actually corresponding angle. So look here, the line AB and the line CD are parallel to each other, and EF means this line is a transversal. So these two angles must be equal to each other. Okay. So right here, AB is parallel to CD, and EF is a transversal. EF is a transversal. Therefore, angle CQP will be equal to angle APE. Okay, because they are actually corresponding angles, as you said, a corresponding angle. Okay, that means x is equal to 100 degree. So value of x is now known as 100 degree. Okay, and this is the solution. You have to draw the diagram. You have to draw the diagram, Somdatta. Okay, otherwise the problem is okay. Okay, in question number 4, do you have any problem? Anyone? No. Okay, so let's move to the next question, question number 5 now. Okay, just have a look on the question. Question number 5 says that in the given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel to each other. Okay, so let's draw the diagram. We have to draw two angles such that their arms are parallel to each other. Okay, so let us draw one angle, this. Okay, and there is another angle such that the arms are parallel to each other. The arms are parallel to each other. Let's give it a name. The name is name given as ABC, and the second angle is DEF. D, E, and F, and the point where these two arms intersect is given as G. Is given as G, and this angle is 70 degree. It is given. So we have to find out first the value of angle DGC. First is we have to find the value of angle DGC, and second is we have to find the value of angle DEF. What is the value of these two angles? Okay, and look what actually it is given. It is given that the line AB and the line DE are parallel to each other, and look, BC is a transversal. So can you tell me is there any relationship between this angle and this angle? Means angle AB, angle ABC and angle DGC, is there any relationship? Is there any relationship? Yes, very good. They are corresponding angles. Okay, very good. They are corresponding angles. Okay. Now, no problem, sir. Nothing. Okay, so we can write that here angle uh, DGC angle DGC is equal to angle ABC. The reason is, as you have said, because they are corresponding angles. Because they are corresponding angles. Clear? That means what is the value of DGC? It is unknown. So angle DGC is equal to ABC. Value of ABC is 70 degree given. So that means this angle is now known. This is 70 degree. Okay. So first question is completed. Now we'll have to move to the second question. In the second question, it is given that the line BC and the line EF are parallel to each other, and DE is the transversal. So suppose there are two lines parallel to each other. I'm drawing it here. Two lines parallel to each other and one transversal. So these two angles are equal. Why they're equal? The reason is same, because there's corresponding angles. So here in the second question, also angle DGC is equal to angle GCE or GCF, or you can say DEF, because they are same angle. The reason is same, because they are corresponding angles. Because they are corresponding angles. Okay, now put the value. The value of DGC equal to 70 degree is equal to angle DEF. That means the value of the angle DEF is equal to 70 degree. Now this angle is also 70 degree. This angle is also 70 degree. So both the angles are 70 degree, are of same measurements. Okay, now tell me, have you understood or not? Question number 5. Is there any problem? No problem? Okay, very good. Thank you, sir. Okay, so actually my times is over now. So let's do one thing. The remaining problem means in question number 6 there are 4 problems. So we'll solve the question number 6 in our next class. Okay? Very easy. Okay, but till we will solve the questions here. Okay, Rahul, so which question number 1 you are want to know? Question number 1 means which one? In question number 6, okay, we'll see in my next class. 5-1. Okay, 5-1. Okay, okay. So see, he has a problem in question number 5-1. Okay, so let me discuss it. Look, in question number 5-1, it is given that this angle is 70 degree, and we have to find what is the measurement of this angle. What is the measurement of this angle? Now look, we know a thing that if two lines are parallel to each other and there is a one transversal, so these two angles will be equal to each other because they are corresponding angles. Now look one thing, the line AB and the line DE are parallel to each other, and BC is the transversal. So these two angles, this angle and this angle, are the corresponding angles. One is interior angle and one is the exterior angle lying on the same side of the transversal. So they are called corresponding angles. And we know that if the lines are parallel to each other, so the measurement of the corresponding angles are equal to each other. Isn't it? Measurement of the corresponding angle equal to each other. So angle DGC, look, angle DGC, this angle DGC is equal to angle BC. These two angles will be equal to each other. Now the value of DGC will be equal to, now measurement of ABC is given as 70 degree, so that is equal to 70 degree. So measurement of angle DGC is equal to 70 degree. That's all. Now Rahul, have you understood? Yes, understood. Very good. Okay, so no more today. So see you in my next class. Clear? Bye bye. Bye.